All right, this week I've set a few intentions and a few things in motion. So I have to borrow money for this thing, and I feel like there's probably going to be a couple of challenges that are in front of me at the moment. Being self-employed, having 3 dependents, money is not the same today as what it was even 3 or 4 years ago. It's hard to get cash, but not impossible. That's number one. Number two, I have to look for builders, and although I have a family of builders and I've got a number of friends and all that kind of stuff that are really, really good, I don't have anyone that's a skate park builder, so I really need to hire some professionals for this. So I've done some investigating around Sydney and the likes, even Queensland, and even abroad. So I'm looking at all avenues at the moment to set the wheels in motion to get this done. I'm very close, by the way, on securing a location. I've got a couple of places that are earmarked, and at this point, I want to get some builders over there to have a look at the space and see what we can come up with from a design perspective to see whether this is going to work. So fingers crossed this all works out. So far I'm very nervous and excited and really looking forward to seeing how this flows together. The response that I've been getting from the public has been overwhelmingly positive, so I hope that that's an indication that this is something that is going to be really sought after in Wollongong and something that is going to be a huge success. So here we go. Just arrived in sunny Canberra. I'm down here for my son's athletics carnival. However, I couldn't help myself. I had to research into indoor skate parks that were in Canberra. So I've taken it upon myself to go have a little look-see at what else is around. And I found this really cool place called the Bank Indoor Skate Park. So let's go check it out. Just about to jump on a Zoom call with Brett. I think we're in a position now where we've done a lot of investigating. We've done heaps of numbers, heaps of fact building. We've investigated with certain people. We've sought out experts that can help us build this, and we know our numbers. I'm really excited about it. It's given me so much confidence, but what is something that's going to give me even more confidence is having Brett on board. I've gone ahead and asked him to become a business partner, and I would love it if he said yes. I'm hoping that he will see that this is an awesome opportunity. It's right up his alley, and we've worked together for the last couple of years, so I think that we'd make a good business partnership, and hopefully he'll see the same way. So my fingers are crossed. I'm quietly hoping that this is going to be a positive outcome. So here we go. Here's hoping he says yes. I'm trying not to get too excited about it, to be honest with you, because part of me just really, really wants this, and part of me is like, holy shit, what's going on? So, but more importantly, I just wanted to ask you whether you maybe had a thought about what I said about coming on board as a potential partner. I think we can do great things together. I just want to know what your thoughts are.
I want to say yes, because I think it's a good business and the numbers are good. The problem I have, though, is it doesn't meet with what my strategic goals at the moment. I want to be able to provide the knowledge and the learning that we've done over the years to help you to build and run this business. And so I've been thinking in terms of that, like a management agreement, similar to what Ridges do with hotels or things like that. We may be able to supply that kind of expertise, I suppose. And we would run the site as if it was one of our own businesses. In consultation with you, we set up the business plan for the year. Here's the things, here's the targets, here's the KPIs, and then we just basically do what we know how to do and run to try to achieve that and check in along the way.
That idea doesn't sound too bad. I mean, obviously I've got to come up with all the coins, so that remains to be said. But having your guidance, I think, with me would actually mean the world, because, like you said, that's what you do and that's what you've done. So I think that could work.
I don't know if this is going to be a great success or a great failure, but what I do know is that I do not want to go to my deathbed knowing that I could have tried and I didn't.